So usually we sell a fire truck just for the novelty of a fire truck, but we do forget sometimes the crazy amount of uses these things have. Well, AJ has just gone over this unit and operated it. We're going to show you how it works. This thing will be perfect for actual use, filling a swimming pool, volunteer fire department, amusement park, campground, you name it. If there's a need for water storage, water delivery, or anything to that effect, this unit is going to handle it. Again, we usually do not operate these, but he has gone over this one to make sure everything's good. We actually had a firefighter come up and operate it with him, so everything is functional, usable. Even comes with the hoses you see. We put some water in it. We're getting ready to show you how it works. It also has a draft feature, quite a few other things. We're not going to rev it up, so the pressure will be extremely maximized when it is idled up, but plenty of water. Rinse down parking lots, pressure washing company, filling pools. And again, this is minimum pressure because we do not have the vehicle idled up, but as you can see, it does a great job. We got a little rainbow going today. But idled up, this thing will shoot all the way across the parking lot, believe it or not. It's a little bit warmer. We probably get out here and wash some cars with it today, but comes with the draft hoses, comes with multiple hoses here for length. They can be tied together. Comes with fire hydrant hookups. And she's got lots of pressure. Turnkey unit, not only a cool unit for looks and for parades, but absolutely fully functional in all ways, shapes, and forms. Spartan body, quality rear body, crew cab, so lots of space. We've driven this unit several hundred miles. It was a city of Hampton unit. Everything operates like it should. Also has a built-in generator. We have not determined the operation of the generator, but it does have a built-in generator also. Hoses, hose reels. Actually has power hose reels up here. Pretty cool feature. Again, the uses of this truck are pretty much endless. If you got any questions, give us a call. This is the only fire truck we have currently. We do get them from time to time, but this is the only one we have currently. Thanks for watching today. If we can help you with any of your tow truck or commercial vehicle needs, reach out.